It looks like the 2020 Encore and Encore GX1 to be the only models unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show, as Auto 163 is reporting Buick will also introduce the GL8 Avenir concept and the electric version of the Velite 6. The Velite 6EV was announced last year, and it will follow in the footsteps of the plug-in hybrid variant, which has a naturally aspirated 1.5-liter engine, a lithium-ion battery and 2 electric motors. The new model will ditch the engine and instead use a 35 kWh lithium-ion battery and an electric motor that produces 114 horsepower, 85 kilowatts, 116 PS, and 188 pounds-to-foot, 255 Nm, of torque. This setup will enable the car to accelerate from 0 to 31 miles per hour, 0 to 50 kilometers per hour, in 4.4 seconds and travel up to 187 miles, 301 kilometers, on a single charge. The model also promises to be pretty practical, as it has a cargo capacity of 16.1 cubic feet, 455 liters. That can be expanded to 38.8 cubic feet, 1,098 liters, by folding down the rear seats. Buick already offers a GL8 Avenir in China, and it features a unique exterior with a mesh grille and 18-inch alloy wheels. Bigger changes occur in the cabin, as the van has perforated leather upholstery, special wood trim and second-row captain chairs with power footrests. Other highlights include a panoramic glass roof, ambient interior lighting, a suede headliner and thicker home-quality carpeting. The GL8 Avenir starts at 449,900 yen, $66,970, and features a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that produces 256 horsepower, 191 kilowatts, 260 PS, and 258 pounds-to-foot, 350 Nm, of torque. It is connected to a 6-speed transmission, which enables the minivan to run from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in 9.3 seconds before hitting a top speed of 127 miles per hour, 205 kilometers per hour.